Hold on a minute, got a phone call. Hello? Yeah, Kev. Yeah, hi. Kevin Kennedy, big YouTube supporter and friend. Yeah. Yes, Kev. Okay, I won't, I promise. Yeah. Hold on a minute. He's worried that I'll be crossing rocks. And the last time I crossed rocks out there at Coastal Road, well, you know how that went. Look out! Look out! Pete! Look out! What the hell? I ended up on my face. Anyway, yeah, thanks, Kevin, for holding. Yeah, no problem. No, I know you're just concerned. I know you're concerned. Yeah, no problem. There are absolutely no rocks out here for me to you know, climb or fall down on. Yeah, we're just sticking to the flat surface today. Learned my lesson from the Coastal Road. Yeah, I am. How did you know that? Yeah, I'm with Bigg Dogg in the Philippines. Absolutely. Ah, you just figured. Yeah. How's the weather there in Detroit? Calling from Detroit, Michigan. Yeah. Ah, sunny and hot, huh, bro? Yeah, it's same here. Sunny and hot. All right, bro. All right. Thank you so much for calling. Yeah, thanks for the concern. Okay, brother. We'll catch you on YouTube or in Facebook. Okay, talk to you later. Bye-bye. Anyway, this is, as I said, the old Bailey Bridge. And this is the bridge that they were building when the portable bridge was washed out. In 2019, May 24, around there, we had a big rainfall and it washed out the portable bridge. And then, of course, caused a lot of problems for the locals. 160 residents that live in the area here, not to mention motorists, were very inconvenienced by the washout. And I think the washout, you know, before they got another portable bridge in there, a steel bridge, it was probably 10 days later. Probably wondering how much this project cost. Well, the road widening and the bridge construction, the two bridges, according to Dean Ortiz, the DPWH Davao Region Chief Information Officer, had stated publicly that this project cost about P189 million. So 189 million pesos for this project, for these projects, I should say, the two bridges and the widening of the roads. Now, this project was supposed to be completed by early 2020, in which the bridges were completed on time. But as far as the road widening, I really can't tell you how the pandemic affected the construction of the roads themselves. So I'm assuming that it probably did in some some way, shape, or form. But let's face it, you know, chaos ensued when the pandemic hit.
Run.
Maybe not to that extent, but it was rather disruptive. I think that we can agree on that. Hi. Hello. Nice little family down there. This is where these people live down there, but yet, you know, yeah, they're poor monetarily, but they're rich in what's really important in life. They're rich in happiness, in spirit, and in also the spirit of the Lord. And it's really refreshing to come to the Philippines and see a people that suffer and have suffered over the years and continue to suffer, but yet they're always smiling, and so generous with what they have. Hi. Hello. Bye. Oh, I love it. And they just stand on the bridge all day long. It's the little things in life, folks, that make things so enjoyable. Normally, this water would be much, much higher and moving at a rapid pace, which is the reason why they elevated this bridge to begin with, the old Bailey Bridge, because as I stated previously, we had the big flood May 24th thereabout in 2019, wiped the bridge right out for a... Hello. With Bigg Dogg in the Philippines. He's up the road a little ways. As you know, they're expanding many roads here in Davao City, turning the 2-lane roads into 4 lanes. So what had happened was the Department of Public Works and Highways, the DPWH, along with the mayor, Sarah Duterte, and other national thinking heads got together, and they had decided that it was counterproductive to increase the roadway to eventually 4 lanes and then leave the bridge only 2 lanes. Okay, so it's counterproductive. What happens then is if you leave the bridge 2 lanes, you're creating a bottleneck, in which, of course, 4 lanes turning into 2 lanes going both ways, you've got yourself a big traffic jam. So somebody was thinking, and they decided that, hey, if we're gonna expand the roads to 4 lanes, let's also expand the bridge. So, which makes sense, it's common sense. So that was good. The DPWH Davao Region Chief Information Officer is Dean Ortiz, and some of the information that I had read about this project comes from his desk. And I would like to thank View from Above for, you know, allowing us to use his footage. So let's go topside and check out where this bridge is actually located from View from Above.
When you want to get off that darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down.
ask you, Bigg Dogg, in the Philippines, if you don't mind.
Yes, sir.
What kind of camera do you have there?
This is a Fimi Palm.
Wow. And
So, this is to me, it's better than a GoPro.
wow.
Yeah. So I had this for like I think 8 months already.
Wow. And
So-
his stabilization is real good?
Stabilization is great.
Wow.
It's got the gimbal handle on there. You can zoom. You can take pictures, video, and it goes straight to your phone.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah, it does. This is great.
Does it shoot in 4K?
Yes, 4K also.
Wow.
You get 1080p,
Yeah.
1080 30, 1080 60,
Yeah.
4K.
Okay.
So
How about the lighting adjustment?
lighting adjustment is just a flick of the wrist. Of
Wow.
The thumb. You know, so easy lighting. You can adjust it anytime. You know, instead of like the GoPro, you had to go through all kind of different channels. But with mine, you just flick, and then of the wrist, and it goes right to your edit button.
Wow.
So it's really nice. It's called a Fimi Palm.
Oh.
So, and it's cheaper. It's half the price of a GoPro
Half the price and does everything the GoPro does
and more.
and more.
Yeah, so
Amazing.
stabilization is good. You don't have to go through your channel. It automatically stabilizes itself already as soon as you turn it on.
Wow.
So it's fantastic.
That is awesome.
I'm loving it.
That is
Loving
great. Let me ask you, just in case somebody is interested in looking at that, what about the battery life? Can you go pretty much a good portion of the day? And
The battery life, I charged this last night. I can go for 4 hours on a charge on a battery.
Very
So
nice.
with the GoPro, you can only do 2 hours.
Yeah.
So half the time.
Yeah.
You know, so 4 hours without a charge, I can go maybe 2 or 3 days without even charging.
Wow.
You know, so in stuff like this, we're doing like an hour or so.
Yeah.
I still got like 3/4 battery left.
Oh, wow.
After all this. So
Very nice.
I love it. So Fimi Palm, you want one? Come get it. Boom. Lazada.
There you go. So like you said, half the price of a GoPro. It does everything that a GoPro does and even more. So that's totally cool. And you know what I like about it too is that it's really compact.
Yes.
It's small and compact. It doesn't take up much room.
Fits in your pocket.
It fits in your pocket. That's right. Cool. Totally cool. Want to thank you guys and gals for watching on POD, Philippines On Demand. And would really appreciate if you hit the like, share, and subscribe. You know what to do. You know what to do. And also, go over to my friend's YouTube channel, Bigg Dogg in the Philippines, and do the same thing on his channel as well. We would both be very appreciative. Okay, until the next time we meet up again, we'll see you later. Bye, everybody.